In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the share button, which is visible on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And for the purpose of this example, let's change the color of the button to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify Dawn account. Now select Online Store. Now look for your current theme. In my case, it's Dawn. Then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop-down menu. Then select Products, Default Product. Then on the left side of the screen under Template, click on the Product Information section. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the Custom CSS section. I'm going to be adding the Custom CSS rule right here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the share button. Let me right-click on it, then select Inspect. Let's target the following class selector, which is share-button _button. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period share-button _button, then open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Always make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And finally, make sure the semicolon is added at the end. Once you add the rule, don't forget to save the changes. Then let's go back to the products page and let's try refreshing it. And as you can see in this example, the share button is now red color, and this change will be reflected in other product pages. Let's take a look at another product. Let's open this one. Yeah, here's the change. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.